They think all Americans are rich.
They thought all Egyptians are Muslims.
That my country is poor.
They ask me if we have like camels and we are parking them.
I come from Kenya.
From Turkey?
From India.
Egypt.
Indonesia, Seattle, Washington.
I want to see snowfall.
I needed to do something to broaden my horizons.
I just wanted to go abroad. I wanted to learn about a different culture.
Let the people know how do I live and what is my goals in life.
All the questions I had, I'm going to answer them myself.
I was hosted in Tucson, Thailand.
Massachusetts,
Florida.
Mumbai, India,
Michigan.
and Seattle, Washington.
For me, it meant going over there and representing America to the best I could.
It gives me the platform to bring out my country.
To bridge the gap, the cultural understanding between, I think, Muslim cultures and the US.
For us to make peace, we must have that understanding.
I try to teach them how to cook Thai food.
Everything has two sides. I want to show my country's good side.
That we are more than just what is seen on TV.
I really do hope that by the end of this year, I could just like break the wall of the stereotype.
Now I'm studying international relations.
I want to be involved with the Peace Corps, hopefully the UN, international diplomacy.
Their culture becomes part of your life, and that's something that is indescribable.
The world tomorrow depends on we today.
Students are the future. The world is changing by us.